How to use Apple Pay to buy V-Bucks, and it's really easy. And in this video I'm going to show you, because there is no direct way you can buy V-Bucks by using your Apple Pay, but I found a solution and it's worked definitely, and a lot of people use it. So here, this is Fortnite website, and maybe you have opened it in your phone or somewhere. I'm not sure, but this will definitely work. So you have to just go to Google. By the way, you can follow these steps in your mobile phone too, or in PS version, right? So or Xbox. So just go to Google and search for dental. So what is a dental? So dental is basically, you can just buy gift card, right? And you will find gift card for everything, right? So here you have to just search for V Buck and just hit the enter, right? So here you will find a lot of options. So right now there's only one which is available, and that's okay. So I'll just click on visit, right? And here sometimes it's take a little bit of time. Now I've got the option, so here I have. So let me just change the currency so it will become easy for you. So let me just select United States here and say preferences, right? So here, if you're in United States, I'm just taking an example here, you can just buy, for example, I want to buy this one, right? So this is exactly the same price, and as you can see here, dental accept Apple Pay, right? So this is the best thing, because you can just buy here V-Bucks from here, this website. So let's say that I just want to buy for $40, right? And here you can see that it's cost me around 40, and it will just take me 0 0.4 cents, right? That's a little bit of, you can say, charges or something. So once I have checkout, so once I click on checkout, and here I have to enter my email address and everything, and as you can see here, they just use Apple Pay. So let me just enter my email. Now once we are here, we will get this option of PayPal, Apple Pay. So if I use Apple Pay, then of course they're going to charge me 0 0.4 cents extra, that is around 5%, right? So I have to pay for it, and but still I'm just getting this V bucks, right? And now once I purchase it, you will get a promo code, deliver it in your email address, and it's authentic. Just go to the next here, and this is a Fortnite website, by the way, the Epic Games one. And here you have to enter the pin, basically your code. And now just click on the next, and then it's done. So this is how you can buy. It's real easy. I hope you found this video very useful, and make sure to give a like. Thank you.